The distance traveled by the boat from point A to B downstream is 12 kilometers more than distance covered by the same boat from point B to point C upstream in the same time. How much time will the boat take to travel from C to B downstream? Now, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇచ్చిన దానిలో మ్యాన్ స్పీడ్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ ఉంది. Downstream speed is equal to 16 plus 2. Upstream speed is equal to 16 minus 2, that is 14. 18 and then 14. Right. I don't want to write anything. Distance traveled from A to B is downstream 12 kilometers more than distance traveled from B to C upstream. So A to B downstream undi, B to C upstream undi. Upstream లో ట్రావెల్ చేసిన డిస్టెన్స్ x కిలోమీటర్స్ అయితే డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ లో ట్రావెల్ చేసింది x plus 12. Now, time taken to cover x kilometers upstream is same as time to cover x plus 12 kilometers downstream. That's what the point they said. Look at this. In the same time they said. In the same time. Hence, let me directly write. Time taken to cover x plus 12 kilometers downstream is equal to time to cover x kilometers in upstream. Now your question is to identify how much time will the boat take to travel from C to B downstream. ఇందాక మనం తీసుకున్నప్పుడు A to B ఇలా ఉంది, B to C ఇలా ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు అడిగింది C to B downstream ఎంత టైంలో ట్రావెల్ చేయాలి. సో మనకి ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఎంతో తెలియాలి అండ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ లో టైం కాబట్టి x by 18 మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. నౌ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్. 2 7 times 2 9 times. 9x is equal to 7x plus 7 into 12, that is 84. 2x is equal to 84. X is equal to 84 by 2, that is equal to 42. X value is 42. Now we have to cover 42 kilometers in downstream with a speed 18 kilometer per hour. 6 7 times here, 6 3 times here, 7 by 3 in the sense 2 1 by 3, 1 by 3 hour in the sense 20 minutes, 2 hours 20 minutes, first option answer. Next. ఎందుకు ఇక్కడ 18 రాసాము అని అంటే C to B డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి మనం డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ తీసుకోవాలి. అది నెక్స్ట్. AB started a business with an investment of 2,800 and then 5,400. After 4 months, C joined with 4,800. If the difference between C's share and A's share in the annual profit was 400 rupees, what was the total annual profit? Okay, now investments అనేవి 2 zeros కామన్ గా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి let us directly write 2,800, 5,400, 4,800. A and B both are there from the beginning, so they are going to be there for 12 months. And C joined after 4 months. He is going to be there for only 8 months. 4 3 times, 3 times, 4 2 times. 3 3 16. Cancellation with 2 again. 14 times, 27 times, 2 gets cancelled. Now 400 is difference of share between A and C. In the sense 16 parts and then 14 parts, difference is equal to 2 parts. If 2 parts is equal to 400, from this 1 part is equal to 200, your question is to identify total profit. Total profit in the sense 14 plus 16, 30, 30 plus 27, 57 into 200. 57 parts kabatti into 200. 57 2 times ante 114 and then 00. 11,400, second option answer. Distance between two places A and B is 110 kilometers. First car departs from place A to B at a speed of 40 km per hour at 11 a.m. Second car departs from place B to A. ఒకటేమో A to B వెళ్తుంది, ఇంకోటేమో B నుంచి A కి వస్తుంది. అంటే రెండు ఎట్లా వెళ్తున్నాయి? ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్ లో వెళ్తున్నాయి. With a speed 50 km per hour at 1 p.m. For these type of questions we already discussed in previous classes. Need to make the condition true, that is, take the position of both the cars at starting time of the second car. Second car starts at 1 o'clock. Hence, let's take position at 1 p.m. Initial distance between both the places is 110. First car started at 11 a.m. Now the time is 1 p.m. There is 2 hours gap. In those 2 hours, it will cover 80 kilometers. And out of 110 kilometers, if 80 kilometers is over, remaining distance is 30 kilometers. Your question is At what time will both the cars meet each other? Now the time is 1 o'clock, distance between them is 30. Both are moving opposite each other. Relative speed is S1 plus S2, which is 90. 30 by 90 in the sense that is equal to 1 by 3 hour. 1 by 3 hour ni manam minutes loki convert chesinattlaite, that is even equal to 20 minutes. From what time it takes 20 minutes? From 1 o'clock. So 1 hour 20 minutes, 1:20 p.m. Fourth option answer. Two mobile phones were purchased at the same price. One was sold at a profit of 20%. The second was sold at a price which was 15-20 less than the price at which the first was sold. First దాన్ని ఎంత కమ్మాము? 20% ప్రాఫిట్ కమ్మాము, అంటే 120% కమ్ముతున్నాం. రెండో దాన్ని ఎంత కమ్ముతున్నాం? 120% మైనస్ 15-20. కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ 100%, 100%. సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ ఫస్ట్ ఐటమ్ 120%, సెకండ్ ఐటమ్ 120% మైనస్ 15-20. టోటల్ కాస్ట్ ఎంత? టోటల్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఈస్ 200%. Total selling price is 240% minus 15-20. 120%, 120% minus 15-20. Together 240% minus 15-20. If the overall profit earned by selling both the mobile phones was 1%, total cost price ఎంత అనుకున్నాము? 200%. 200% లో 1% అంటే 2% అవుతుంది. And that value is equal to total profit. You know the total profit in the sense total selling price 240% minus 15-20 minus cost price, that is 200%. From this, if you subtract 200%, your profit is 40% minus 15-20. From this, take percentage is one side. 38% is equal to 15-20. 38% is equal to 15-20. 4 times of this number is 152 and then a 0, meaning 1% is equal to 40. What is your question? What was the cost price of one mobile? One mobile cost price ante enta? 100%. 38 40 times kabatti 140 times ante 4000 answer, which is third option. 16 men and condition, this is very important, and 10 women together can complete a project in 10 days. If 12 women can complete the same project in 25 days, in how many days will 10 men complete the same project? Okay, now ilanti questions manaki em kavali? Relation between men and then women we need. 16 men and then 10 women can complete the work M1 into D1 in how many days? 10 days. And at the same time 12 women can complete the same piece of work in 25 days. 5 2 times, 5 5 times, 2 6 times. 10 women goes to the other side. 30 women minus 10, that is 20 women. Men by women is equal to 20 by 16, that is equal to 5 by 4. 5 by 4. 5 units is work done by 1 man. 4 units is work done by 1 woman. Now your question says 10 men can complete the work in how many days? 12 women are working and then working for 25 days. 1 woman can do 4 units. 12 women in the sense 12 into 4, that is equal to 48 women. 48 units of work is done by 12 women per day, and for 25 days this much work will be done. The same should be completed by 10 men now, where each man can do 5 units and 10 men can do 10 into 5, 50. 25 2 times 48 by 2, 24. Second option answer. Get the relation between men and women and then convert. That's it. Simple. A jar has 40 liters. This liters. It's kaadu 40 liters milk. From the jar, 8 liters milk was taken out and replaced by equal quantity of water. If 8 liters of the newly formed mixture is again taken out, what is the final quantity of milk left in the jar? Okay. ఇక్కడ 8 లీటర్స్ తీసేస్తున్నాము అని అంటున్నాం. అవుట్ ఆఫ్ హౌ మెనీ లీటర్స్? 40 లీటర్స్. 8 లీటర్స్ అనేది చెప్పటం ఎంత కరెక్టో 20% అనేది కూడా అంతే కరెక్ట్. పర్సంటేజ్లో చెప్పినప్పుడు 20%. సో ఇనీషియల్గా మిల్క్ మన దగ్గర 40 లీటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 20% అంటే 8 లీటర్స్ తీసేస్తున్నాం. 32 లీటర్స్ మిల్క్ ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ ఓన్లీ మిల్క్ క్వాంటిటీ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్. అగైన్ 8 లీటర్స్ తీసేస్తున్నారు. 40 లీటర్స్లో 8 లీటర్స్ అంటే మళ్ళీ 20%. 20% అంటే Now this time we have to subtract 6.4. Instead of subtracting 6.4, you subtract answer, and answer should end with 0.6. There is only one. 0.4 తీసేస్తే ఆన్సర్ షుడ్ ఎండ్ విత్ 0.6. ఒకటే ఆప్షన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఎంత అనేది కూడా చేయొద్దు. 25.6, ఫిఫ్త్ ఆప్షన్ ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ 97. The interest earned when P rupees is invested for 5 years in a scheme offering 12% per annum simple interest is more than the interest earned when the same sum is invested for 2 years in another scheme offering 8% simple interest earned by is 1100. What is the value of P? Now P rupees అని అన్నాం, 100% అని అనుకుందాం. 5 years కి 12% per annum చొప్పున అంటే 60% వస్తుంది. Simple interest earned is more than the interest earned when the same sum, same 100% invested for 2 years at 8%. 2 years 8% అంటే 16% వస్తుంది. Earlier we were getting 60%, now 16%. Difference is 44%. If 44% is the difference in simple interest, which is equal to 1100, principal value is always 100%. That is equal to how much? 44 and then 11. What is the relation? Divided by 4 into 100. 100 divided by 4, 25 into 100, double. 2500, fifth option answer. Next 98. In the year 2013, the population of village A was 20% more than the population of village B. The population of village A in 2014 increased by 10% as compared to the previous year. If the population of village A in 2014 was 5,610, what was the village B population in 2013? Okay. Now in 2013, the population of A is 20% more than population of B. So I'm talking about 2013 here. Village A and then B here. Village B is 100%. Village A becomes 20% more, that is 120%. And then in 2014, A population increased by 10%. 10% of this number is 12, more than 12, in the sense 120 plus 12, 132. And this fellow is equal to 5,610. 5,610. Village B population, meaning 100%, is equal to how much? That's what our question. Now 11 12 times here, 11 5 times, 1 time, and then a 0. 6 2 times here, 6 8 times, 48, and then 5 times. If 2% is equal to 85, 1% is equal to half of this number, that is 42.5. 100% is equal to 4250, 4250. Second option answer. 99. 5 years back, the respective ratio between 5 years back, respective ratio between the age of OP and that of Mini was 5:3. Nikki is 5 years younger to OP. Nikki is 5 years older to Mini. What is Nikki's present age? Okay, now Nikki age is compared with OP and also with Mini. Nikki, OP, and then Mini. If Nikki age is equal to X, Nikki is 5 years older to Mini, then Mini age will be 5 years less than Nikki. 5 years older to Mini. Mini said. Right. Nikki is 5 years younger to OP. 5 years younger to OP in the sense OP age is X plus 5. Difference between OP age and then Mini age is equal to 10 years. Anytime it has to be 10 years. 5 years back, ratio was given as 5:3. 5 years back, for these two people, ratio is given as 5:3. 5 parts and then 3 parts. Difference is equal to 10 years. 10 years is equal to 2 parts, then 1 part is equal to 5. 5 parts is equal to 25. And then 5 years back, if OP's age was 25, present age of OP is equal to 30. If x plus 5 is equal to 30, Nikki age will be 5 less than this, that is equal to 25. 25, fifth option answer. Mohan gave 25% of certain amount of money to Ram. From the money Ram received, he spent 20% on buying books, 30% on buying a watch. After the mentioned expenses, Ram has 2,700 remaining. How much money did Mohan have initially? Let us say Mohan has 100%, he is giving 20% to Ram. Out of that money received by Ram, 20% and 35%, together 55% is over. Remaining is 45%. 45% of which number? 25%, because Ram received only this much. This is what leftover money, which is equal to 2,700. 9, 5 times, 9, 300 times, 5, 4 times, 5, 20 times. 25% is equal to 20 into 300, that is equal to 6,000. Money with Mohan initially was 100%. 4 times of this number, 4 times is 24,000, which is third option.